Remember what I said earlier about you being an asshole? You're doing it right now.
Alright, so we get a solid call from the community in town. When the hell out of the body shows up. And it's somebody came.
You already have a piece of ice. It's all the way over there. You kicked it. Not that one small. You already have a piece of ice. Go. There. Ready? Bruh. You asked for a piece of ice. It's over there. By your bed. Here. Piece of ice. Pew. Play with ice. Bro, why are you backing up? Bro, your piece of ice is right there. You have another one. Oh my god, bro. Did it just go in my room? It just went in my room. Bro, it literally just went into my room. You have 2 pieces of ice. You don't need to go in my room. Bro, look, ready? Oh, go over there. Go over there. Pew. Look, you have 2 pieces of ice. You have 2 pieces of ice. Oh, my dirty loads. Right here, right there. Right there, you have 2 pieces of ice. Which one's bigger? The one I just gave you because you won't play with the other one. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. Did you lose it? Bro, just play with your other one. What the heck is wrong with you? Oh.
We'll make the move for Richard. How do I stop you? Fill out the front row seat and fake fight
Seriously?
Why?
Are you sure this is safe? My buddy's kid.
Here. Bye-bye.